And good morning, I'm Dr. Deuk, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with one of my patients who's traveled far to come to Deuk Spine Institute, all the way from Michigan. What brought you from Michigan to Florida?
I was scheduled for fusion to have just my one disc, C5, C6 fused. I'd had disc herniation before on my lower back, had it done. I didn't want to have to go through that again. So I did some research, found you had a good record. Your history is impeccable, so I decided to come down here and have it done.
Well, you didn't have a fusion though. You had something else done.
Yeah, I'm sorry. So instead of fusion, instead of going through and the complications and risk of fusion, lack of mobility, I wanted to have laser. I talked to somebody in Mexico that had laser surgery, and she said it worked great. So I thought I'd pursue that avenue, and that's when I kept Googling and searching and trying to find the right place. Some places had bad references. You had impeccable record, so this is why I came here, and I'm glad I did.
Yeah, so you were recommended for fusion by another doctor, and let's talk about that for a moment. They were going to fuse one disc, right? Number 5-6?
Correct.
Now, if you go to your surgery video here, you can see that we made a tiny 1/4 inch, 4mm incision. And we fixed 2 discs, not 1, but 2. And it turned out that the disc that you were not going to have fused was actually the worst one. It was the one that was causing the vast majority of your symptoms. And the reason I'm talking about this is it's a common problem. It comes down to being misdiagnosed. And misdiagnosis happens all the time, all over the world with spine problems. And that's what we're trying to fix, is not having patients get the wrong diagnosis, because the wrong diagnosis will lead to the wrong treatment, because treatments are always based on diagnosis. So if your diagnosis is C5-6 disc, the treatment will be fusion of the C5-6, but that's wrong because you had 2 discs that were problematic. We fixed both. You can see in that video, we were taking out lots of little chunks of herniation out of your C6-7 disc. Definitely needed to be done. How do you feel today?
I feel great.
Yeah, do you still have the same neck pain you had when you came here?
No, my wife can already tell that my shoulders are relaxed. My neck, I feel great, feel very comfortable.
And you had your surgery just 24 hours ago.
Yesterday morning.
Yep, and you can see you have a tiny 4mm incision with a Band-Aid. No metal, no fusion, no narcotic painkillers after surgery. We didn't give you opioids, so that's another plus to the Deuk laser disc repair.
I agree.
Yeah, you don't need to be on powerful painkillers. You're back on your feet already, walking around, not in the hospital.
Yep, great. I'm glad I had a guardian angel looking after me.
You did have a guardian angel, and you're welcome. We enjoy helping people like you have successful spine surgeries. Is there anything else you want to tell your fans out there?
Basically, if you need the surgery, if you're having complications, neck, back, definitely come here. I don't care what it costs you for travel or whatever. You can't, it's worth, priceless.
I agree with you. It is priceless to get out of pain and have no complications from your surgery, and nothing bad that hurts you or harms you or changes your life in a negative way. So congratulations. And when do you guys head back to Michigan?
Saturday.
Saturday. So you're going to spend a few more days here?
Yes, sir.
What are you going to do for the next couple of days?
Well, we plan on hanging out in the sun, but
yeah,
it's not the case right now.
I think, yeah, well, you could do. Oh, yeah, it's just a little overcast right now. Yeah. But this would be a good day for you to go check out the Kennedy Space Center. It's about 10 minutes away. They have all the displays and history of NASA, and it's really worth visiting.
I'll do that.
Save the beach for tomorrow.
There you go.
Sunny day.
All right.
All right, congratulations. You're welcome.
Thanks again.